Chat more and gear.
Yeah, man, shoot out your head, man. Just shoot out your head, man. Just chat you there over phone, man.
There you
You
go.
can cuss up all the bad word them where you want to talk, man.
There you go. Tapping it.
I just start you. Shoot out your head, man.
Caution.
Shoot out
Don't
your
get
head,
a little
man.
taxi.
Watch out, turn on
Taxi no work.
the camera, man. And show
Yeah,
which
flick
fire
on the
them when you
camera,
talk
man.
about
Flick on the
gunshot.
camera. See it's a bad stuff.
Flick on the
You want
camera, man.
There you
flick
go.
on the camera.
There you go. Your
Flick
picture
on-
there for your thing.
Well on man. Flick on your camera and a bad man.
Yeah,
You
man.
can't flick on your camera, you can't talk right now, bro.
Can't talk, man.
You know really make
Internet
sense,
man.
man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, cause I tell you, from last time, I tell a little boy, you know, say, yo, send her out in location. The man I tell me about St. Elizabeth, and him live at Philadelphia, all over the place him live. I mean, I say, but wait, then you attack tough just for a while, brother, like say, shot on them thing that can boom off fire and all them kind of something there. And you don't even know if me's a
A
police.
VG boyfriend that you know, this a VG make him come out and behave so. A
In
VG
the know if you're
boyfriend.
police, or what? You come on TikTok, and I come and play him and I threat and all them kind of something there, but I sure know, say, you don't pay the penalty. As a God live it right here, so you don't pay the penalty. Dearly for your actions, what you are do right now. I'm glad that my life you come say that, pan. Yeah, man, because I think I have a picture of your name, you know. If I your right name, but don't worry yourself, man. We can't find you.
I don't look
Me,
at
I go
internet, boy. Oh, we not push
Yeah, man,
in,
me, I go
we not
find
push
you.
by
I don't
this
worry
for internet. We not come find about something than this or that or rare, like we don't think people. You think we thin skin? Shoot up your head, man. You see me?
I no bother with that race in the man. Him alright, man. Yo. The man, him a tell people about them mother, but we don't know probably him want for them mother for go suck or something because that's the hunger
Was
thing
him
can
father
come
in
out.
the up? Might be him father. Up.
I probably even that too. We can never tell.
Yeah.
We can never tell. Uncle him alone know what go on. You understand what I say? So you see, this is the type of behavior with labor rights.
That's
This is
why
the
man
type
would
of behavior with
come
labor rights. And the worst thing about it, I cannot even defend your argument, brethren. You can't even defend your argument because all of that so lip, brother. I'm not really in the suck-out competition with you, you know, for tell you to go suck out, you know. We can go somewhere and we settle this, brother. Probably, you know, we can deal with this on a diplomatic level, brethren, where we can really actually see who are the tough people, boy, yeah. And then we can know what really are going. It's simple, you know, my general, long thing, you know, draw out something, you know, bad man. But no, you see what for them problem, them boy afraid of me, you know. So them have to build all the page, you know. Them have to build all the fake page, come just come tell me, yo, go suck your mother caution. Alright, fine, yeah man, go suck my mother, what else? You can link up and punch it out. No, you can't link up and punch it out. Because why? The whole of them are coward. And me willing to do it. But them boy ain't not willing to do it. Them want to come hide and do things. So that's why them have a problem with my picture not being up there. Because them want to come hide and do your something. Them boy they don't want to see your face. I look in your face and know say, yo, here, put up your hand them, brother. I could knock some fist, dog. Yeah, man, I could knock some fist and see. And see, ooh, I go come out of this. Because I know say me have to cut a couple of your teeth them with my hand, you know. I'm 100% certain about that, you know.
If him can't reason why make you always a come over here. You ever come over here, come type up, but him can't reason. You know, stay up on people like we can't reason.
You can't, yo, listen, the man, listen. The thing is, you know, the man have an arrogant behavior, you know, as much as so him sound ignorant, something that just like me. So guess what, the two of we can't go mesh when it comes down to certain things. Because even when me show you a point, you don't want to see that point there. No matter all the facts and the evidence is there, you don't want to see that point there. Him said about political party, this and that and right. I'm ask him, what is a federation? Him not answer and tell me, and him know what is a federation. And any logical thinking person would know, say, going into a federation at the time of independence was one of the best option for Jamaica. And that was what Norman Manley wanted to do. And you go come on this and I go tell people about this and that and right there. After JP done mash it up already and take out a federation and put you in a different independence. You come and I come tell you about this and you tell you about that, brother. No, and that's a reason go. and so reason go. Reason go.
Man, I talk about ya. Brethren, black who you want for black, brethren? Because you see
I
no
know you
come
come over here.
Man feel like it's a girl
Him
thing.
still up
First
in
come
the
off a
box and
program.
attack. He not go on and
Come
black when you
off
want
a
black.
program and go black, man. To take my fuck man body boy. I'm tell you say man you live with a blood clot
You
now,
up
you
in
know.
the box at time.
Like say when time you black me now. Me I go ball
My,
and me I
open
go
up,
sleep
open
tonight.
up your mic and argue with the pussy.
Blood clot box brother and go
Open up
black
your
me,
mic
man.
and argue with the pussy.
Yeah, man, yo, I'm tell you, brother, you have to come out of the box now, because you not tell me what I want to hear now. Me want to know which part you there, no. And that's all I want to do. No, me no want to know nothing else. So talk, don't add him. Until I can't listen, I can't give you my number right now. I just drop your location. I'll leave a partner there. No worry yourself,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Just
Anyway.
drop your location. That's all I want you to do. As a matter of fact, me got here. I'm not give me no comment. Me know you not do that. Say I waste of blood clot time, brother. Then just love if you send all a live location right now. And then you're gonna realize, oh, caution really big. Right as up.
So that one, you
A
know,
number
take himself out of the box.
number you want, man, you want call, man. I send
Take
it
him
for
out, man.
someone.
Take him out, man.
No, that one you were in the box, me attack. Now him say I go block you.
When I'm still at work.
You still doing the box. If I no film
It's a
style or
boyfriend.
whatever, I'm go block you.
It's
When
a
still doing
boyfriend,
the
it's
box
a man
like
you
it
look at.
comfortable.
It's a boyfriend, this a man you look. So what on you know?
You up in the box comfortable and talk about you go block.
Let me see if you man send him live location now. I feel like a joke, me a joke, you know. Let me see how bad you be today.
You see
Yeah,
enough of
man,
them, boy,
oh,
the labor coming and saying, you see enough of them, boy, me I tell you enough of time, I sorry, man, I forgot sorry for y'all, know when my book out, some of you see me, still like, you know, some little club scout on the phone, I chat up on the mouth, you know. I don't feel like, say, I done this and the thing, this in a virgin.
Him a talk about black and him always a come over here type.
Angie,
Like
you see
a
what them want
cartoon
me
of
and
the funny
Carson to
line.
do? What them want me and Carson to do, we not gonna do. Them want we have to tell them, oh, me do this and do that here. And me have link over this and where. I say, watch out.
Exactly.
A joke. We not in that bridging. Shoot about it.
Ever come over
Him
here
pick
with
up
some
VG problem for film head like him a VG man.
Who that Angie?
The one who come up there cause a while ago ask say about deported. But when you get deported for. The VG and caution problem in take up.
Last night, you must hear him on a live, man. I would have said, I must say petal.
What petal and you in an argument about that?
If me get deported, that's neither here nor there. Me never get
deported. The first man if you get deported and then can't deport you from Jamaica anyway. So what happened to that?
But me never get deported. That's a artist
But
thing. I
even
know them
so,
want
Diego, when me say even if you get deported, you don't create history.
Boy. Yo, labor at a grass off a tin here, man. They not nothing for hold on for, you know. Wash them and wash in the river come down, you know, man. And not nothing for hold on for, you know.
Look how much people get deported and them proud to tell you so them get deported. Nothing wrong with that.
No, them want to know my business, man.
Exactly.
I tell them, say me take plane like taxi.
See that so precious still. So precious still. So they say all them people are real. Real, I don't know why I'm going to say because hours a day, you know. But clothes, sometimes in a light tone, you know. Things are not the
Be rain that
worst.
town, Caution.
Yes. Rain did that fall.
Labor right then get so sure.
Man, beard, man. They say every day them ball out, so they want.
know. Them can go beard.
Say you see that boy in them a long time more and will all live, man. But him a go black. Not all like that.
Like you go
And
in
boyfriend
yard.
and son, what the fuck that? Yo, like me I go beg and say, please don't black me. Please, man, beg you, I'm
But all him
sorry.
a say that him still sit down up in the box.
She say, man, they live with a nah broke him know. Bumbuckler, to be a batty boy live up at them place, the brother.
Be a batty boy.
Pure fish. I'm
Yo,
pure, enough for them where they live
yo,
up. My man,
anytime
I
you see
fuck
them
them
behave so,
straight in a big house.
anytime you see them behave so, them a get abused, because you know them rich man they stay. I be abused them a get them a
And he get to
teenager,
the
brethren.
head.
Yeah, brethren. Be abused them get.
Bumbuckler, to come and drive past the place. See, what time I mean, I tell you, I don't know, I don't know what to say, because I realize, say, the man them they on a mission, brethren. The man them they on a mission, like, say, them want to say, well, and alright. Them they on a mission, like, them want to say, well, and here we go on. Don't like caution on the media, you know. Caution a fuck up the politics for we, you know. You see what I say? And the whole thing about it, you know. When them do what them a do, them don't remember what them a do or what for them people do. But them remember what you do. That is the thing about it, you know. Yeah. When the pussy tell Mark Golden to go suck your mother, you know, see, none of them come out and say red. All of them say, hey, them back that. All the one name Woody, them back that. Them okay with that. Alright. And now if you tell a man about his mother now, you're going to hear, yo, John no star, yo, go on like this and go on like all that. Man, that's some of man, you. I tell you, some of way in a virgin. What the fuck you come back in my box, some of you?
He must send back request.
Ask me for something, I'm sending you something, mate, and you still want to come up in a box and talk, brother. I'm still a wait, but me done. I still wait for you right now. I don't really no more talking, you know, lip service something, you know.
When you want your number for the call you,
Shoot him for shoot out him location and
you
which
really
part him
love
them at.
man. And you come out to defend what him name VG now you want caution number.
If I don't even look funny, say I defend VG, I defend him party. But them a try to use VG thing as a weapon. You understand? For say, well, them a this and them a that, brother. I tell the man about him mother, it doesn't really matter. Because me nah gonna say sorry. So I don't know how you come up here so and how much people don't tell about mother. You know what I'm saying? You know how much time I do my life and I see people just come up in my box and gosh, I'm gonna suck your mother. And really, I'm just take them out. Gone for life today, you know. Me gonna find out who that boy be. I go find him gonna know who me be. Me gonna find out exactly who him be. You can't hide bro. Just watch and see because the boy have more than one account. The boy have about 4 accounts. I'm the inner box today, you know. In the inner box, in the over classic.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, over classic. So you see, me gonna find out exactly because somebody know you. Somebody fucking know you. Don't worry yourself, man. Somebody know you. I'm gonna get the full detail on you. I'm gonna follow up with you right now. Like anytime I come back on my live again, I'm gonna tell you who you be. Cause you don't even know who you play with, man. Everything nice, man. That really makes sense to stay over your virgin neither. Go on about your business like Umalo. But talk about it. But him a go black me. Me never see this in my life to buckler like a him me a sleep with. A night
Like a
time.
theme live with them man.
Like, no, like I'm a woman. Like I'm a buckler woman. I'm a woman alone can tell me that I'm a feel away right now in idea. What the fuck? Woman alone can tell me that right now and that make me feel away like me I say, oh, fuck, Jano babes. What? Big bumbo clad long cocky man. Brother, you know, just go and go black me, brother. I know much people black me. I not even know so them black me. And them gone about them business. All Traffy, me say, Mrs. Traffy, the same thing this morning. Oh, I'm a black. I say like, what the fuck, brother? What that? Me not even check. Me not even check. If me not even check if people block me like that. Sometimes I just might realize that I might have looked through my message and I scroll and you see say, oh, you see say you know see them picture or whatsoever. And that's it. It's either here or there for me. What you think me I gotta do? Text you and say, yo brother, yo sister, yo, unblock me now. I'm telling you, man.
Not me, the one who they come and tell me about. They gonna block you. I'm gonna make everybody block you. Me, I say, what that have to do with me?
You know what I'm to do there? You know what I'm to go there? You know what I'm to go there? My unblock body just to block her back.
And
come over here.
Stupid, she come over here.
Come over here. My unblock her just to block her back. Bumbo clap. I say I never see nothing sweet me so yet. About 2 times I do go to that. Just every time I block her, I just unblock her and she come back over here and I just block her back again. Yeah man. Damn idiot.
Them soon know what time it is, man. Call him for calling.
Boy, come man like this man and come talk about over Mark, but you know a peace and rate. Yeah, I'm tell you this man. Me not trust no labor right.
Which
no
one?
labor right can't come tell me about a peace. Anytime see them do that, I kill them want kill you. So them want draw you out and make you drop your guard. No labor right. Can't come tell me about a peace. You mad? Tell who about peace. Brother, go on about your business. Go on about your business. Wanna tell me about caution when this done, man? Yo, just come link me in my office. But fuck, man, what the fuck me I going in the office for? Me and you conduct a business. I don't know you. I don't know nothing buy. I don't know nothing sell. Why am I going to come in your office? One name Bigger Ford. I got alone can't tell me son a Bigger Ford that you. I don't mean people that them say,
Caution, all I function me and Bigger for the one place, you know. Me know yo, Caution, me name what? Me dead man.
last night. So when me tell you, listen man, tell the man say, anytime you can talk to him. Say have a man on the TikTok sound like him and we need to verify what really are going if the man a try. In the thing, yeah, or something. We need to know what go on. Tell the man, brother.
I show him a vibe, man. Say, I better try to impersonate him on the media, man. You see me? I go do it, man. Anytime book him up back again, man. When any one of them content.
Like what do you like? Like when? Like the video where you send me in the day too?
Yeah, man. Remember say I'm on Dennis Garden, them part and the whole of them, you know, dog. You tell us you feel them body.
Man, you need to tell the man, Bertie. Tell the man, Bertie. Tell the man.
I must impersonate him, I impersonate the man then, because nobody can sound like so.
Go on, root out who named Alex out of this blood clot thing. Root him out. If it be a come on TikTok, boy, you're police, and you're well-known police, and this and everyone I will know you, and none of we can pick up your bumbo clot voice so you have, Bertie. None of we can pick up your voice so you have. The younger person you sound like is Bigger for.
And he put up Rasta picture like him a Ras. So that him a do for real then. You know, see, when you start talking about it, in my come back over here.
I'm really mean, Wait there. Okay.
About him a open discussion.
Yeah, the man tell somebody, say, oh, yo, on a 45 my fire rifle. See all of them sitting there. Tell
One
this,
floor, you know, long, I don't see one floor.
One floor there, bro.
Seem just trying.
Eh?
Seem.
A bang and you can't treat nobody, but you have to kill them. One boy look mirror ways here.
He must say him up there.
I really depend it to do, you know. I need to go back fast, you know, cause I'm not even cut without my charger, you know.
Caution, why pre? Andrew, I go on.
Yeah, so your skills from the other day, man.
No space, man. Just drop back a foot and I start out if you start out, you know?
Okay.
You know, the boss have to organize the butter. You have to organize the butter. Eh?
Don't know. No, we think so.
Sighting. Man, I'm try upstore my spirit bread, yeah.
There that I go on, man. Couple nights ago, me there, me pen, and a couple of my friends, them hang out and we have a politics talk and till get heated and get out of hand in a way and the drive way. But look, when I boy car, me see back coming in the night, but me do let them still.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I'm a ramp rough.
They not play right, man. I'm a ramp rough, so you can't take my shit, you see me?
Can't take no check from them, right?
These terrible brothers, man, they get mad. I realize that they lose still now. They realize that they don't on the losing point, so they might do everything, you know. If I war, that for them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What about mommy? Activity say you.
It's a Diego gun. The one floor you run like a coal.
Yeah, man, and you stay in that. Left gear.
And that's it, you know.
It will not make me Angie. That time me and a friend, brother.
Somebody, man.
Anywhere you're going, in front of the place is supposed to come on the person. But if you drive
Which part you did the coal, no so?
Eh?
Up where you was it the coal?
if you drive
I suppose one of the coolest place in America that.
When I even looking for an attack. Big woman, you know, long time PNP woman, you know, I don't know. But see the woman and I think it was set over to blow up. What do you hear, right?
Never hear what she said.
Everybody that.
You see what I tell everybody, I just, and you want to know, say it's a business place for them. And I like say, you know, and you see, that's the topic. Everybody know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
any other country come second and whatever.
Right now, you see them when I work in a sun hours at night, down here patch out road, brother. And I saw them patch, I saw them a dig up. They all dig up the whole I blasted road. Dig out some hole in the road and truly come all there and the vehicle and just scatter it out back. Be a foolishness to go on because boy,
Yes,
man,
so they make you look like them at work. They make you look
No,
like
but
them
they
at
tell them
work.
what go on. They tell them what go on. Man, gonna go there CC. I go there for school tomorrow Sunday, so they might patch up some little part there, you know? Yes, you have some little part.
And next time gonna make PNP get that seat there, you know. And I don't want them move next time.
Dash you, brother. Him and dash you and them, and none of them don't realize, you know. The labor right, them, I don't think they know said Nesta that should have seat there.
I see that can't come back to them.
That the seat the Nesta dash you and a labor. Last night me hear some labor right talk about it. After that boy they come like you know have no sense, like you know want win.
Couple seat well, you see all the by-election at in and town, at this some want them focus man. Want them get
Watch what
carrying
go on
that.
now. Watch what go on now. Boy, siblings are spending whole lot of money down there right now. Man, them are spend money down there like right now, like crazy.
And people them are gonna name them money and vote them out.
Whole heap of money are
That
down
them
there, man,
student.
focus right now, but I go get dirt down there, man. Cause guess what go on? I want a dolly Deso and Cross Hill, a dolly stronghold them there, you know. You know where them in do and dash you, you know. You don't know where them in do and dash them, you know. But I know people them pay me down there, so them can't they believe so they can't just run in and go just ray and feel like everything alright.
Yeah. Let's see how honest you all are. Let me see what go on. Let me see if for somebody this will have like principle and manners. Yeah, but the brawling, something and draw for shocks and lick up people excited.
Principled.
Yeah, man, make him send him a request. I don't know if I come up there, because I'm afraid of person, you know.
I think that's something them do want to talk about.
It's a question him want to ask me.
Tax, brief yaks.
I'm saying, you know, from when I want well, Amalo, you know, when I want well, Amalo, and him just come over there right there. Right there, him come over here, man.
One show miss all of that.
Him could have missed, him could have escaped.
I want go on and Jim. Just a jump off a road. You know, me not too the funny platform there.
Now one boy named Amalo where always a come type up both PNP and JLP are the same thing.
One day if I want to me listen to one live the other day. Where me hear them a bash away. And if I wish live me not listen. I must have seen somebody there. You know.
Every time him come at that him say.
The man typing in the comments saying I go block me. I said, but wait, this is
And
man
him in the
talk like
box,
me.
you know, one floor and now come out, but him a type up say him a go black caution. Because them
I
are the style. I in the box sit down well comfortable.
You look like you remember when they.
Come on, man, that thing for the man.
Yes, so I go black him and you still up in the box. Like him don't know how we come down.
Oh, and encourage not to be so divisive. Well, sometimes you have to fight for what you want in a bridge. Not come easy, you know, see not dropping on nobody lap boy, you know. If you not go for what you want in your life, you know, you not get nothing, you know. Something that we all learn from a little while come now, so at the end of the day, you have to fight for your freedom, you fight for your rights, fight for your life. When they are seeing we are live, we have to fight to survive.
That in
See, Ingram,
now.
like, but
No respect. Good afternoon.
Minute over,
Respect.
man.
Respect.
I'll go on.
Right, listen.
Give thanks. Give thanks.
Yeah, we do over there talk about IC.
Me see caution friend around there so for live a while ago say he want lion and rose and something. She, not him, she.
The one with the tall hair.
A real woman me attack man.
Oh. I don't know. Ed Bang and I say my search me yesterday for give me lion. I don't know him come no one to give me.
Ed Bang I want lion for himself. Ed Bang I wouldn't mind if somebody shot him a lion right there now.
But Edbanga say, man, what kind of lion? A lion emoji?
I must say that. What him
Yeah.
and searching me the whole day yesterday.
So Edbanga go over the man them life and name himself for me and I type up a bag of things in the comments then brethren. If you stop them something,
I know him. I know him. I know him. I want woman do it. Eh?
Nah, I know him just want it look like kind of him. Have to
I
be
said
him.
the person go up in a Mikey box and talk.
Yeah, but me and Steph, so what? So somebody can
Then could have make somebody do it. Him could have make somebody go up in a box to the page. Go up in a Mikey box, go tell him to suck his mother.
Aye.
So
You the vote know me. And that's why he himself name. And that's why he himself name Ed Banger, you know. He is troubling you know.
why man? I mean I tell you say man them I man.
Bang I fire you have to stop it.
I man, I feel like I man. God know me believe man.
You know, you say Ed Banger, you know, some kind of accident and he not too, he kind of want like a vegetable, like, he can't do.
That still no true.
They enter the theater, that they will drive him. I mean, they one place and torment, that will drive him to torment people, you know.
I don't know it, banger. It banger said, no, no, me.
I man.
Miss, can I have your ID, please? No.
Believe I man.
I wanted that him behave like strength, you know. See him move like strength, you know.
I one night them have strength over
Jump
one
out
little
back
place.
last night, caution.
Yeah.
No, I ain't an argument today.
And I called, well, I didn't call. I went to Sovereign. They called here and they said,
I saw them work dirty man. I saw them work for true man.
You looking for me?
No, I expect nothing good for the labor right them as far now go on, you know, brother, because they no other option no more than give problem right now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You just have to look the worst of them right now. Anything that's bad, that you go see.
Yeah. I said going on. You have to always prepare. You have to always prepare, you understand?
Crazy, man.
The principle walk on.
Definitely something you can know, say.
JC and others used to have breakfast every Sunday.
It's the principle. D101.
You receive that text message, right?
The principal don't even know say him up here.
keep it calling me right now.
Not even no principal, man, or woman, they say mister.
They take 4 to 6 weeks.
Amanda. Man vice the closer to the phone.
Everybody come up and silent.
That man say come like a me, them really want.
It's here, you're just gone easy.
Boy, yeah.
Yeah, greetings, y'all.
Hello.
Yeah, bad bro. Okay, principal, you're here now.
Yeah, man. Greetings.
The way I say now, I see your type and you say what you ask.
Yeah, I was just asking why y'all have to sound so divisive.
We'll receive an email.
Well, you know, sometimes people create the monsters, you know, so never believe that.
Yeah, and I was also indicating that over the years, I've been privileged enough to hang out with different politicians. And I mean, they share, you know, different opposite parties. And they have a good relationship. You know, I hate to listen to some of these blogs and hear how, you know, followers behave. It doesn't sound good. It's not good for us as a country. It's not good for us as a people. You know,
you never hear what happened before all of that.
I just joined, and I won't be long either. I'm not here to argue. But what I will encourage you all to do, you see, you have to remember that some arguments, right? I know you're all geared towards an election and winning an election. And I'm telling you this from the bottom of my heart. I'm telling you what I consider to be true. The die-hearted followers, you've already won those, right? They will vote for you regardless of what you say or do. You should be thinking about people who are undecided, you know, people who are uncommitted.
So is the first you're coming over on this platform?
The very first time.
Oh.
You know,
So might be you
and as I said, I was just scrolling, and I won't be long because I'm at work and I have a lot doing. You know, but since he sent me the invitation, I just typed, I listened to the argument for a short while, and I heard the conversation, and I felt led to type what you see I type in the comment box. And to encourage you all, man. I mean, it's leading up to an election, you know. We should
but maybe you should ask
not
what
be sounding
happened.
like this. It doesn't
Maybe you
sound
should have
good.
asked what happened, why he sounded like that.
Yeah, but regardless of
just
what
get
happened,
up on a sound like that out and
regardless of what happened,
no, you can't say that.
We as
you
a
have to know
people,
what happened to say what you're saying.
we as a people can't be sounding like that. You know, it don't sound good, man.
But you have to speak for yourself because you don't know what happened. You see, you came on and hear him sounding like that, but you don't know what caused him to say that.
I am saying we as a people don't have to sound like this over politics. That's all I'm saying.
So you come up here to scold him or something like that?
A soft answer, turn it away.
Sometimes.
You know,
that's sometimes.
You know,
Only
we can't be
that happen, not every time.
We can't be encouraging this type of behavior towards each other.
That happens sometimes, not every time.
You know. And listen, you know what I'm gonna find out?
The person will come up was speaking to Diego and Kasha.
It's a principle. I read the Bible. I grew up in a Methodist church, and when them go for crucify, when them go for Jesus, remember him give them a soft answer, and about 2 days after upon one cross, me see them nail him up. So you see that statement, they're not true right now. Because if them do Jesus that, what them would do me? I know you're Jesus. Because if the man cut all the money and he said, don't do him nothing. Leave them. And him be humble and cooperate. And not do nothing. Them not find him guilty nothing at all. And what them do? Them nail him on a cross. And you gotta tell me now upon life now, say me if you just a man for do me something and me if you just stand up and just say, oh yeah man, turn the nether cheek. Turn which nether cheek? What the freak God give you sense for? Sense I gotta tell you, say, listen, natural human instincts, if somebody go like something move off for you, you either go sight or your hand go just go up. Or when you don't want to do it, just natural reflex. That means say naturally you're supposed to defend yourself. Nobody knows for you to come tell you that. Defend yourself, Regine. So you like them statement them more time in a virgin because sometimes not raised with sense in a virgin and big people, you know. So they want them to say, man, come do me something and me just tell him, say, boy, shoot the knife right to another side. How about your son? How about your son?
And the fact that you never hear what happened and come up here and talk like that.
And you know, them tell that them here are Reggie. Some of them are some people behave one type of way.
Yeah.
Like say, them hear and them know, man. You see me I say? And him a talk about say, yo, we supposed to start look the neutral voter them are bridging. The mere fact that we are highlight the negative what them a do. That alone, if them can't vote for that, we are highlight the atrocities what them a create. That means that them no word if you evil reason with them.
Yeah, inside.
You make me
You
know.
supposed to do your work in your workplace and make sure say your work at them go vote for PNP. That's the need for the principal.
Brethren, right you know with them enough people not hear or understand the man them say it's gonna be a bloody election. That means to say a war, them plan for war. What more than that you want here?
No need for
And what more than
Hear
that you want
that
to do?
you're
If you
not
as a youth are
prepare
work on the
yourself for
ground and
that.
you decide they are gonna do it wrong work, you have to prepare, you have to prepare, you know, you have to prepare for them, you know. You can't just behave like an idiot out there and move soft out there, you know, you have to prepare because of that them a come out. If they can't win a war, them a plan for war. So you have to prepare for that. So I don't know when time people are coming around and talk about peace. Them not in no peace, so how you gonna be peace? Peace with what? Peace with yourself? No, brother.
You say one flow, you know, I hear much suck your mother, the man come up here, come tell him and Diego, you know. And then when them start talk, no, him a go start in principles, I go come with him principle.
Them and them look suck your mother thing now go nowhere. I just word.
I know that, you know, I don't think Mr.
Nah, go
Principal
nowhere, Bridget.
ever pass on them platform and
You'd
hear them.
love to see one of them book
I don't
me
know if
anyway
he
in
pass
a
over
road.
there and hear them. If he did do that, then he wouldn't come over here so say Ray and Ray and Ray. You can't. You know, make no sense to tell we say if we behave themselves, because them now go behave for themselves. I don't like them I go behave for themselves. They now
Look
plan
at
to
them
behave for
come
themselves.
over
Because them
here, come
believe
a
to say them
behave
are
so.
bully. Them believe to say them are wickedest thing. And after them alone and foot can work. You see me? Them feel like after them and foot and finger and everything alone can work. You know, for everybody else want to seize up. You see me?
So I hear when them attack, but remember when them attack about them I got fire and range and all sort of something. They laugh and attack. You see them? Boy, me I tell you, they don't even know they half about war. Yo, boy, me I tell you, some of them come like them now in a sense more while them don't know who I trick them, you know. You see me?
It's a principle gone, him for go on, man.
But Diego. But
Yeah.
most of them boy that we see on the platform a chat, none of them now left them yard, no brother. None of them live a far, none of them were there Jamaica and even left them yard. They don't know where now, my father. Apart from the supermarket where they go around couple little place nearby, no, they now come out of the zone, they now go nowhere, they don't know what is what.
I tell you, man.
You get me? Then just chat on internet because of chatting sake.
That's why I not really follow them up in terms of them want me to send it and then something. I say, brother, I'm not depend that. We there so we can talk, but we are discuss what go on in the country, whether good or bad. That me depend. It don't make sense me I go bring up nothing right now way. Now I go me can't do nothing right now. So all I try we sense me I go check me for. If about head then no man. Me could know where them man.
I'm about send your number. When my number off the video,
That
you
is
got to
it.
call me.
That's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm telling you every day, you know, you see, it no matter what you hear them come up here so boat and I try if you say nobody no make them down, no don't check nobody.
Distraction, them man.
That's them come take the blame. So we are the don't make them alone talk. All we need to do when them are checking people and attack them talk size screen record them.
You
That's all.
record them.
You know, hear no PNP I go on them platform and talk. Boy, me give up gunshot. Which part you there? And them alone of them lick dirty style away. You buck out some of them and shoot ball a chicken at them side couple times. Well, you see them run off like fall and scream for Jesus. You see me?
That me talk about. If you see the and you know say anyhow, you feel know them anyway you feel know them when they on the platform attack, you know, if you see them in a real life, if you buck them in the street, you know them gone, you know, them running.
Them not run them. I want friend of us, man. What? You don't know what to see on them.
You know, so just politics talk.
That me know. Enough of them are good youth, them man. Then just a try to make a fool of themselves for internet, you know? Me and all man a talk about back in the days when they used to rain and tell. Wonder if they know it's 2024 now. Then days they done. Days what them man they talk about, you know, they go. It days what them man they talk about, you know, I went time Siago and them man they not run like CIA and all them thing there, you know. I run back in the days when when them alone they did have all the gun, them a come in and you know, them control everything and when all country people see one gun and then turn idiots, so they intimidate them. But tell them to try in 2024 or 2025. Tell them to try and tell that the same man that we are when I tell man which party go fight politics war and boss gun and raid. Tell him to come out, tell him to push out in your head anyway and do it again. You know, like a 15-year-old and make him look like a punk on any ground.
Last time they come down in our ground, man. Certain way, man. Then I get pinned down, man. Beer screaming and moaning, man. All so
They must feel like I hate this way they used to do them bullshit.
tell me, I tell you that. Because they must feel like say I chatting all while.
You don't know what time it is, you know. Them,
I don't know which part of the day place. One, yo, let me tell you. It's when they turn in my place. Mercy of God, man, if you can't come back out, if the people them say, yo, enough of go so. Tell me, I tell you that. And them know too. Once you cross the bridge. And no joke thing. No lane, I don't know where they forget out. Tell me, I tell you that. I don't like the man inside and I push them thing there. And them want push it to one level where if it get turned up in a region, them at them see when I go ball, you know.
And that me say every day and then love ball, you know, sir. Anytime fuckers start, you know, them first start ball, you know, and I point finger, you know, I say at this and at that, none of them I do it, you know.
Then tell me something. So it really reach a level now where people and talk and people see you and like they want to attack
So
you.
you don't hear them every day upon them live Ingram?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. The other night, me there out of one place in called Savannah. Down at Mapen. Me and a couple of bridging them. And we did it and till so next nigga roll up there. We did a chat politics and sitting and he start get heated, one bag of things. I decide to me I left. And just as me drive off, me realize say one car drive off behind. But me never pay no mind. When me reach to a mention, me sister one a car. Where you then come in and they behind me. And then chill me past Buckner, you know. Which that unusual.
For example, what kind of car?
Eh?
What kind of car it was? What kind of car it was?
Kingfish.
Listen, I'm in Maple. Me have experience. Me have taught me this kingdom. Stop not, you know. I'm in Maple the other day, and a car trailed me for about 35 minutes, you know. Constantly, I trailed me in Maple, you know, right through Maple, you know. And then me ultimately drive straight to the police station. And there was no parking in front of the police station. So we go straight over the credit union and park and come out. The stand between my vehicle and another vehicle and I face the oncoming. And the vehicle comes straight up in the parking lot towards me, you know. But when they realize two men in the car, when they realize that me actually see them and me actually face them, they reverse and go. I'm going to go by the station and report it. And I think and I wonder what could that possibly be? Really?
Yo, watch out now. Where them bring up an issue, they're on a live, and they bring up an issue with the Sylvia thing. And I say to them, say, well, no go ask Juliet to depend on the wheel and it get heated. And I see one of them stays a boom and say them go call Juliet, which them did call Juliet. And I say call her mother to her father. And tell them say me they go say so because you feel like say you can bully people or feel like say you can intimidate people. And pity say you don't even know say we are all a sense of civilness and not cause no chaos or anarchy or not because we there in our opposition and we not push war. And uno want to push for like so uno can bully people.
Because them say them a lose.
You understand? And I try to drive fear in the people. Because when you see anytime a PNP gets strong, them try to analyze you, try to take you out. It's either you get strong with your voice or you get strong physically. And then they're like, none out of them two.
But at that, them a try to do right now, you know, Diego, them a try to intimidate the people them right now and try to change their mind. You understand?
That's why
you know, because there is no other option there. Yeah.
One flow, me can't hold no meds with no PNP. We try to sympathize in our sense. We try to say, yo, Ray, me can't take the soft business. Like where your principal.
But you can't stop in that time like this with the fire where them a push, brother. You cannot stop, you know, that me tell you, know, they say I got dead in the street, brother.
What do you mean?
Worse if you're a ground warrior. You can't stop.
So you have to have your eyes open. You have to depend on your P's and Q's. Because me know the amount of good that me do, me know it do bad for JLP. So them me that want things that me know me can't not talk on the internet. You understand? Me do whole heap of good brethren. And it have implication them for me. You understand?
Yeah.
So you can't be a fool in this. Cause same so me can do a man something, a man can. Me always put myself in everybody's shoes, you know. You understand? Me no eat that and me no fool. Anywhere me go, me try look my escape route all the time, you know. Cause I don't feel like say you see me big and strong and tough and whole heap of links and whole heap of this. Me not afraid to take on myself. Me take on myself. So me say,
I want you know, brother. I want you. Yeah.
So them a go try everything, dog. And all the way you see where I fight the battle, don't feel like they not call up a name. They mean them group chat and them this and that. And
No,
them
I go on.
I mean if they don't know, them know I go on.
You know what I'm saying?
No, I go on.
Last night, I got some boom and I say me jump out. I say me I go look something on the road. I think about 12 o'clock. I'm got some boom and reach on a level, you know, and I see you have this vehicle. It's a van, you know. Me do think of police, I'm to pass some police earlier on. I'm that watch my review, but I don't know which part them they reach. So me believe that the police them. So in my mind, me I say, yo, them police are probably gonna pull me over. I'm gonna say boom. So me I drive straight now, but you have a lane, you have 3 lanes. 2 lanes, but coming up to the stoplight, you have 3 lanes, because you have one now filter for turn right. So I'm gonna say boom. When me reach up closer, I just go over and I filter lane now for turn right. So me I watch car back on the vehicle. So me I watch if I meet them really, I mess around. And when me look, me see the vehicle that go straight, you know. When them see me go right now, them go right. But you see push pan me turn now for go up. I see the vehicle slow down, but I could get when I wind up, because my window them dark, you know. So when I wind on the window, it never got on in time for me really see the kind of vehicle, because I could see the vehicle because the boy have on them bright light. So I can't see the kind of vehicle what they behind me. So I go like so boom, I'm go up the road now. See? And I know I'm going to take another turn now. So I'm going to wind down the window from early. So I can see the kind of vehicle where I go turn the corner. You understand? And when I look, it's a bus. What's a bus? But I did wonder last night, I said, why that vehicle like it had trail me? When I see me turn, you know, because I'm turn now, up there, so now, it's a place where you're gone. Because Ushpa, I really drive and it's kind of like a lonely road, you know. But you see, when I turn now, it's more of a, no, it's a busy, but you got have house and all them kind of like a thing there. I mean, I say, oh, I wonder what go on in the night, Father God. That me I'm praying about first, me do just think of police. But I never police. Never police at all. I know, say, from what day I say me that go change my license plate. Yeah, man, say me that go change my license plate, you know.
I mean, it's not you to do that.
Change me, I just buy a
You need to do that, Carson. And what day I come down and I change my one. I change my one the other day, right now a different one there for my car. Make sure I change it clean.
People know you. Alright, you see, even though I'm there, I'm a picture mine not there up. Enough time people come on the live and know me, you know. Know me, I say know me, you know. You understand me? I say, enough for them, a labor, enough for them, a peer. So even though a man like that, yeah, people know me.
You were on me live this morning,
Yeah.
Caution? In Caution?
Yeah, man,
You
me
were on
the
me
live
live this
platform.
morning?
On your live?
Yeah, in Caution?
Huh?
You were on me live this morning?
Yeah, I come over there this morning.
Oh, me know. Well.
Caution and
Let's
Jack.
see.
Him say me over there.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Oh, wow. Yes, sir. Yes, the man move out here.
Me still like you were there for a while, and I said, yeah, and I caution that. And then I said, oh, yeah, man.
No, pack up here to me. I'm not going to use my caution. Me use a different name. So me even have a backup page. Me not go have the same caution. I have to have a different name. Why would I put my backup page for the same name like this? Because sometimes I want to go on some live and just they just listen.
Go on.
Yeah.
But I'm glad Face and Mama take time out and observe what going on, because the situation real. The situation is real, because when we experience the other day, I don't take it lightly. The thing go on for about 35 minutes. I may drive all around the place and turn all about the place, and the car there behind one black. The markets are under. And we couldn't get to see the place then. Yeah, man.
The man material.
Something wrong somewhere.
They know, so you're up on the internet attack against them party.
But this morning, we message doing it. This is a thing we just stage now where me not understand. Because if you can ask her and with such a contempt, as if I know nothing. Like the principle involved anymore, anything goes. Me not get it, Me not get it. Like anything goes.
You see, people not to be vigilant, but I see a statement that Andrew made the other day that is initiating war. You understand?
Yes, that statement. I would have, can you imagine? I couldn't believe it when I heard this statement.
Yeah, that statement. That is exactly what it is.
Me not surprised if it come from a security minister, because me know like that person, me get to understand that person security minister is, but when me hear it from the prime minister himself, me say, what? Very interesting, man.
Very much. So you actually see what them are doing with. You actually know how them are pray. It's a cool one going on night.
When you nominate this lady who just resigned from the same situation, and immediately the person, the nominated person with the charge, still standing, it's an absolute contempt,
Yeah. Totally. What Mr. Cola say?
Cool sex. Go on talking to him.
I said that's crazy. Oh, see. Well, all you can do, all we can do, is just look out our eye and be vigilant. Wherever we go and whatever we do, people who actually reveal themselves in a way, you don't have to look out for them.
I cannot imagine you go up on a live and the person see up on a live, so the person that tell it, they go suck my dog. So what is that? But when me do this day, me just totally ignore it. Me not respond, me no comment, me just ignore it totally. when me see a female, see a
You know what me wonder? You know what me a pray? Me I wonder, you see? Me I wonder if it's a WhatsApp group. They have a big WhatsApp group where they work with right across the country. Because I mean, I not just them alone the TikTok platform, them a behave certain way, you know. Everything when them labor right a behave some way, you know. Me I wonder if it is a plan thing or what. Or it just in a labor right DNA.
them cow down the conversation,
Once
take
you
over
say
the
a labor
conversation.
right.
You can't bring a point across. No matter what that things, it's so illogical. But them a maintain it. Me not get it. No logic they involved. I'm a maintain it same way.
Yeah, true that. That is so true. But
It's a call. Nothing more than that. Them not have nothing to defend, but them are going to defend.
Talking about wrong and strong. Yes, wrong and strong. The case is so strong. When I was listening the other day, the case is so strong against the person. The case is so strong. The evidence. Because the person collected the traveling, the vehicle was insured and licensed in the person's name. That means that the person must have actively engaged in those procedures in order to have the vehicle licensed and insured. And when you're presenting documents for the payment, you have to present original documents, current documents for them to pay you the traveling and whatever. So that's strong evidence that. And you still put back the person if you have no regard for law and order.
The PNP must be blamed for Andrew on his rise to power, you know. Remember that when you win this seat, you know, everybody polling station, that's all, that's the ballot, you know. A court it have to go for second, you know. Right? Remember how that man get to power, you know. You know. And then you see all rattle the Jamaica Labour Party away from Ardisha by taking 7 bus load of men. And let us just assume say is gunman. Just assume. Because you know just try 7 bus load of man to a conference, to hijack a conference. You understand me? So for show you who in is, you know. Is not a person who believes in anything fair and square. So don't be surprised that when you see my door. And with this overhead, you might go all out.
Desperation, yeah.
So remain in power to
It's clear desperation.
Caution, me no see y'all go live regular from what day. How I go on?
yeah, man.
More see you hang out for other lives and more than anything else.
Gosh, I'm so not tired for hearing.
Yeah, tired with that, man.
He wanna tired for hear him, so he stop the live. Gosh, and same day on vacation, I drink pina colada.
What?